Hello friends, today we are going to learn the letter G and its sound. The sound of letter G is G, 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 G. So let's start the video. G says G, G, green, G, G, green. G says G, G, goat, G, G, goat. G says G, G, girl, G, G, girl. G says G, G, gate, G, G, gate. G says G, G, guava, G, G, guava. G says G, G, garlic, G, G, garlic. G says G, G, gloves, G, G, gloves. G says G, G, glass, G, G, glass. G says G, G, gift, G, G, gift. G says G, G, gorilla, G, G, gorilla. G says G, G, grapes, G, G, grapes. G says G, G, garden, G, G, garden. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned till next video.